Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Well, today I will show you how to install HFSS on any Linux distribution using a tool called Bottles. So, what is HFSS, or High Frequency Simulation Software? HFSS is an electromagnetic simulation software used for various engineering applications. It employs in fields like antenna design, microwave devices, signal integrity, and RF components for communication systems. So the first thing to do is to make sure that we have the right version of HFSS. Mine is 13, 14 will works fine, but any other newer version will not work, so be careful. The second step in the process is to search for the tool called Bottles so we can download and install it. As you can see, Bottles is only available through Flatpak. So before proceeding with the installation of Bottles, it's essential to verify whether Flatpak is already installed on your system. While Flatpak comes pre-installed on many distributions like Linux Mint, other distributions such as Ubuntu require a manual installation process. Follow the steps provided on the website to set up Flatpak. After setting up Flatpak and rebooting the system, you can return to Bottles and start the installation process as detailed in the guide on this page. Once the installation is complete, you can begin using Bottle, either with the Flatpak command provided on the page or by locating Bottles in the application menu. Once Bottles is launched, you can create a new Bottle, which is an environment for installing your Windows software or game, such as HFSS in our case. After setting up a Bottle, it's necessary to adjust certain settings as follows. After the setup of the environment and before running any Windows application, it is necessary to install a tool called FlatSeal. This tool grants Bottles certain privileges, enabling access to certain directories and folders, as Flatpak applications are generally sandboxed, and setting up this FlatSeal application to give Bottles these privileges as shown in these steps. After granting the necessary privileges to Bottles, we will restart it and begin the installation of HFSS as indicated. Please follow these steps attentively, as they require particular attention, such as ensuring the filter of the file types is cleared, allowing it to run any Windows application or installer, whether it's .exe or .msi. Additionally, please be mindful for the directories, as the environment directory is hidden. Therefore, proceed with caution, especially when installing the HFSS patch and so on, among the other steps. All the steps are similar to installing HFSS natively on Windows. Now it's time to install the patch, so please be careful with these steps. We will copy the patch files and pass them into the installation directory. And running them normally as we did with running the installation file of the HFSS in the first time. And following the same steps as installing the patch on any Windows environment. We will make sure to execute all the patch files so the activation will be completed of HFSS, of course. After completing the full installation and activation of HFSS 13, we will launch it for the first time from the list of programs in this environment or in this bottle, and trying to create an HFSS project to start designing some shapes. As you can see, it runs perfectly as any native software. In conclusion, I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the installation of HFSS, especially for students, researchers, and teachers who require this software in their Linux environment. This method can also assist in installing various other Windows applications and games on any Linux distribution. If you need any further guidance or have any questions, please leave them in the comment below, or you can reach me out through my LinkedIn profile provided in the description below. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.